Hey everyone, this is your host Mahan Singh Sisodiya and you're watching me on Disease Media. Constipation, a common problem that occurs with lots of people entire the whole world. So if you want a permanent solution of this constipation, then the video is only for you, because today I'm gonna tell you few mistakes which you do which causes constipation, and also going to tell you the permanent treatment, the permanent solution of this constipation. So let's begin. The most common cause of constipation is unhealthy lifestyle, means that you doesn't take sleep properly, or you eat fast foods, or you are doing overeating. Then in that condition the constipation will occur. So here are the solutions which you have to apply. On the place of normal water, you have to drink lukewarm water, and remember that the water should not be normal, it should be a copper water. Means that you have to take water in a vessel of copper, then you have to boil it and drink this. This will going to stimulate the bowel movement of your intestine, and your stool will passes easily out in the morning. Second thing is that you have to fill half of your stomach, almost 30% of your stomach, with the raw fruits and vegetables before consuming your meal. It will contain fibers, and fibers is very essential for clearing your constipation. It will passes all the food items from your gut, and you will doesn't faces constipation. So before eating your dinner, lunch or any type of breakfast, you firstly have to consume raw fruits and vegetables. Then after you have to consume your food items. And remember that after eating your meal, you don't have to drink water till 1 hour. Like you do your dinner at 8 o'clock, then you have to drink lots of water at 9 o'clock. And after eating your meal, you don't have to go for bed, because it can causes constipation. At a regular basis, you have to do a physical activity or exercise. It will enhances the muscle movement of your bowel and help to clear out. Also, you can take Triphala powder or Triphala churn, which is easily available inside every Ayurvedic shop. You simply have to buy it, and consume 1 tablespoon Triphala powder before going to bed with a lukewarm water, and in the morning you will see the magic. Lastly, you have to take an adequate amount of sleep, at least 7 to 8 hours in a day, because sleep is very essential in maintaining your constipation. And live a healthy lifestyle, live a good lifestyle, be happy in your life. If you like this video, then give us a thumbs up, share this video with your family and friends, and if you haven't subscribed this channel, then please subscribe this channel for such type of interesting and amazing video.